The Jeff Gosling hand control is a mechanical system which enables you to brake and accelerate using your hand. It's the adaptation most commonly ordered for hand control drivers. It can be installed on any automatic vehicle to operate the brake and accelerator pedals. When it's fitted, the vehicle can still be driven in the conventional way using the pedals, and therefore it allows for multiple drivers of the same vehicle. You simply pull up on the handle to accelerate and push down to brake. The Jeff Gosling hand control uses precision components and axial roller bearings to offer the driver an unrivaled smooth and responsive performance of this action. The hand control physically moves the pedals, giving you the same control as when driving with your feet. If you push down quickly on the handle, it will create the same effect of slamming the brakes on with your feet. Any movement of the hand control handle will result in acceleration or braking without delay. The most popular way of driving using a hand control, and the most comfortable for the majority of drivers, is to hook the thumb around the steering wheel and fingers around the handle, then using a squeezing action to accelerate. For most braking situations, such as when slowing down, drivers will keep their thumb hooked around the steering wheel and use their fingertips to push down on the handle. For more harsh or sudden braking, such as in an emergency stop, drivers will grip the handle with their hand. Many drivers using a hand control will also choose to have an integral indicator fitted within the handle. This enables the driver to indicate without taking a hand off the handle control or steering wheel, thus maintaining full control of the vehicle. To indicate right, simply flick the toggle switch to the right, or to the left to indicate left. The indicator stalk on the vehicle will still operate in the normal way when the toggle switch on the hand control is in the neutral or central position. You may hear the terms multiplex and non-multiplex being used when discussing wiring adaptations. These terms relate to the type of wiring system within a particular model of vehicle and how the adaptation is connected to the vehicle's existing system. For the driver, the indicator switch works in the same way on both multiplex and non-multiplex vehicles. Many drivers choose to have a steering aid fitted along with the hand control. As your right hand is operating the brake and accelerator, most of the steering is done one-handed. A steering aid can assist in keeping good control of the vehicle, especially during manoeuvres. Further details of steering aid options can be found on the steering aid video or product literature. As the hand control physically operates the pedals, many drivers will sit with their knees bent and feet flat on the floor to ensure they don't interfere with the pedals and impede the operation of the hand control. This can lead to an unnatural seating position within the car. Therefore, where possible, some drivers choose to have the accelerator pedal hinged, enabling it to be folded out of the way and thus providing more legroom. This allows the driver to put their legs in a more natural driving position without impeding the hand control. It also lowers the knee away from the hand control lever. The hinged pedal can easily be flipped back down to allow another driver to drive the vehicle conventionally using the pedal. It's important to note that it's not possible to install a hinged accelerator pedal in some vehicles. If this is an adaptation you require, please check availability with us before purchasing a vehicle. For drivers concerned that their feet may inadvertently press or slide under the pedals, a pedal guard can be fitted. This will allow the hand control to be operated without any hindrance from the driver's feet. The guard blocks off the pedals, which can result in less room within the footwell and therefore is generally only recommended for drivers affected by involuntary leg movements. As an alternative to the full pedal guard, a brake-only pedal guard can be fitted alongside a hinged accelerator pedal. The pedal guard plate, which sits in front of the pedals, can be removed by unscrewing the two wing nuts and removing the plate. This enables another driver to drive the vehicle conventionally, using the pedals. The Jeff Gosling push-pull brake accelerator is the most popular choice for hand-controlled drivers in the UK. Our hand controls are designed for each specific model of vehicle and can be installed onto automatic vehicles. We've already designed hand controls for approximately 1,500 different models, and we're always working on new models as they're released. The indicator switch, steering aid, hinged accelerator pedal and pedal guard are optional extras, and it's important to ensure your installer is aware of your required options. If you're learning to drive with hand controls, The usual minimum requirement for taking a driving test is the brake accelerator hand control, with an integral indicator switch and steering aid, but please check before getting your vehicle adapted. Information can be found on our website at www.jeffgosling.co.uk, or if you'd like to discuss hand controls further, please contact us and we'll be happy to answer your questions.